Hello friends, welcome into the studio. Today is a mail day. So today I went out to the mail to drop off some orders and stepped over this soaking wet box. Why I went to drop the mail off, I have no idea. I forgot that it was Sunday. Thankfully, Amazon still delivers on Sundays. Obviously, I assume it's art supplies, because I would not be opening it if it was like a stack of like DVDs or I don't know what else anyone orders from Amazon. Action figures. So we have in the mail Croma New York. Croma NYC on Instagram. Let's get rid of the big box and see what we got here. So this one is Flagship Brush and Chisel Dual Tip with alcohol base, 48 colors. And if I'm right, this is a gray tone set, and I love gray tones, as you can tell from a lot of my pinup artwork. I really like the packaging on all of the Croma products. And see, here we go. Look at that. Really well packaged. They care about their artists. They care about their markers. You really feel like you're buying a prestige product when you buy markers from Croma on Amazon or on their website. I took the metal thing off of my last set. I just unscrewed the hinges, and I did that because I sit them on my desk and I use them for the most part. I don't really travel with my markers. But there you go. There is a 48 color set of Croma Flagship grays. I used up the entirety of my last set to where I think I have like a couple red grays that still work, but definitely like all of the blue grays are toast. This is my favorite marker in the whole set right here. This BG15. You see it in the back of a lot of my portraits. I use it as like a fade color. Obviously I go through the special black and the black quite quickly. And they give you, so you can test your swatches. Definitely go to their website below in the description, or go to Amazon, type Croma, and pick up one of these beautiful, I mean, just look at the case alone, like, I'm telling you, like, listen to that hinge, listen to it, just like, and the markers are perfect. And where else are you going to get 48 markers for that price? I'm going to give you the description, put in the descriptions below the links to get these markers. Definitely go purchase them. I'm running on. I'm rambling. I got to create some art today. So pick these up. Peace.
you.